Hello, hi. Stay home, stay safe. Use masks and sanitizers. Save our life. Okay. It is my small effort that these small short stories will be more useful to primary class students. These small short stories are for you to stay at home and have fun during in the pandemic situation. Okay, so today we are telling about a new story. The story name is The Greedy Mouse. Okay, let us start the story. Once a hungry mouse happened to find a basket full of corn. So it's already hungry. So immediately the mouse crept into the basket through the tiny hole. Tiny means a small. Then the mouse started eating the corn. Okay. Next, it is already inside. Corn is full there. The corn was very sweet, tasty. So the greedy mouse went on eating. It did not stop until its stomach was swollen like a ball. So next, its stomach was swollen. The mouse tried hard to come out of the basket, but it could not get out through the tiny hole because of its bloated belly. Bloated means swollen. Belly means stomach. It was worried. Why? It did not know how to come out the basket, come out the tiny hole. So the mouse began squeak loudly. At that time, the squirrel passing that way, he heard loud cries of the mouse. So automatically the squirrel went near the basket. Why are you squawking like that? Asking the squirrel. The mouse replied, I have eaten too much of corn. Now my belly has grown like a ball. So I am not able to come out of the tiny hole. So next, the squirrel told the mouse, what is saying? Oh, it is a easy process like this. There is nothing to worry at all. Just you stay inside of the basket for few days without eating anything. So automatically you will become a slim. So why to worry? then you will be able to come out the basket easily, said the squirrel. And next continued to say the squirrel one moral. He said, while starved in this basket, chant these words. That is also moral. What is the moral in this story? We learnt in this story, one should not eat more than one can digest. One should not desire for more than one needs. So this is the moral. The squirrel also said these words. You are inside of the basket. Chanting these words, continue to you like this. Okay, thank you.